this video, let's add another slider to rotate this guy, the brake guy. Okay, so let's go back to canvas view and okay, hide this one. That's okay. So because now this one is called global variable here, because we moved out delta x from draw triangle. Okay, it used here, but the definition, it was originally here, and then to make it accessible from another file view controller, we move it out. Okay, so better to rename it so to something better. Hold on command key, click, there's a rename. Okay, so that's renamed to delta x triangle delta x, triangle delta x, like that. Enter. So you see, when we modify, right, we typed in one place and all the other places are changed automatically. Now let's define another one for the angle, the starting angle, right, the delta of the angle used in drawing the arc and the the whole shape. Okay, I don't know how to call it, it's like a mouse. Let's define another one. We are same thing here, name arc delta angle. Okay, the change of the angles. So same thing, CG float. Okay, initially is 0, so it means no change. So okay, so this one you know, we use radians, right? Radians as the units. So in radians, so 2 pi, right? 2 pi. Oh, by the way, how to type this pi thing? Option, hold on, option and a p, 2 pi, right? And is 2 pi is same as 360 degree. Okay, so we'll create another slider to cover the range from negative 2 pi to positive 2 pi. Okay, so basically we'll go like 2 full cycle. Now let's use this guy in our draw arcs. Draw arcs here. Wow. Well, is this black guy? Let's see. Where is the draw arcs? I think it's this part. Oh yeah, black. Okay, yeah, we can test it this way. Highlight that, command slash. Okay, comment out all of them, run again. If it disappears, right, we know. Yeah. Oh, fill. So okay, but we still have that. So let's comment out this part to see what happened. Oh, together. Okay, so together they forms the. Okay, now let's put it back. Undo. So it means we'll need to add the angle here plus paste this guy. So we'll add this one everywhere. Here, and for this part here and here. Okay, now let's run again. It should be the same, right? Now let's change it to let's change it to 0, yeah, a quarter of pi. Okay, a quarter of pi. CG float dot pi. Okay, this time let's use 3.14. Okay, run it. Yeah, you see, it's rotated by a quarter of pi. A quarter of pi. Is it? Oh, okay. So this one is less than a little bit less than pi. Okay, but it doesn't matter. Now we'll put it back to 0, and we'll create another slider here. So click this one, drag another slider and put it here. The second one, let's see, we can, okay, so here is the blue guideline. Let's go there, and we need to configure its minimum value. So here is we'll use 2 pi, right? 2 pi. Let's put a little bit more than pi, 3.15 here, negative 3.15. Okay, 0, no, we'll start from 0. Okay, oh, 3.15, enter. Negative 3.15. What? What's wrong? It doesn't. Okay. Something bad happens again. Okay, let's stop it. And command Q. Not sure why. Xcode, drawing shape. Let's see. Oh, now it works. Does it? Let's make sure it still works. Okay. Wow. Good. So basically it's from negative 2 pi, right? Okay. So now we need to do the control drag. Okay, so let's hide this one, add another editor here, and select the view controller. Okay, so where is our yeah, it's drifting. Okay, select that. The second one, control, hold on control key, drag in here. Now, yeah, make sure connection is that, and the type, let's change it to UI slider name. Okay, so slide 2, okay, or yeah, slide 2 is good. Connect. Let's rename this. You cannot add one here directly. You have to use rename. So hold on, command key, click that, rename. Very important, because there's other part here. Okay, like that. Okay, why cannot? Okay, but it's here. So let's change it to slide 1 rename. Very, very important. You cannot add one here directly. Type in. Okay, so now let's copy, no, canvas view dot arcs delta angle equals sender dot value. This sender is the second slide. Second slider is the it has the data type UI slider. Okay, so it was provided by the platform as the parameter. So it means this object is provided by the platform when every time when we drag the slider to, right, the platform, the computer send us the information included in this parameter. Yeah, so okay, so with that we can auto fix that. Okay, don't forget the repainting thing. Canvas view dot set needs display. Okay, run it. Let's give it a try. You see? Cool, right? So increase, it means clockwise, right? Increase clockwise, counterclockwise, right? So here the delta is 0, so it's initial location. Very good. What about the other one? You can still move, right? The green triangle. Play with it, right? Try to modify something, and yeah, have fun. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.